Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here. Today I'll teach you guys the move that I'm sure you see a lot, but you never saw anyone teach you or talk about it, which is the high hip 3 steps. Okay? But before I start the tutorial, do remember to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification, so if there's any video coming out from my channel, you'll be the first one to get notified. Alright, now let's start the tutorial. So basically this move is a 3 steps, okay? So we're gonna start from the push-up positions. Okay? Basic push-up positions. Now usually when you do 3 steps, you're gonna kick your left leg to where your right hand is. Same concept, same thing, but instead kicking, you're just gonna place your left foot onto where your right hand is. Okay? Do something like this. Bring your right hand up and place your left foot. Alright, so now you can see only my left hand is on the ground. From here, we are going to slowly turn your hip. Okay, so your hip, your upper body is in the middle between your legs now. Okay, this is something you need to take note of. You're gonna switch from left hand to right hand. Alright, again continue from this pose here. You're going to bring in your right leg inward, align with your left foot, and place your left hand on the ground. Okay, so one more time. Starting from push-up positions. Here we go. Left foot to your right hand. Okay, just place it on the ground. Move your body up. Look at my body. Try to keep a hip high. From here, switch. Or I usually love to say throw in this move because it's not switch. You need to be more faster than switch. Okay, so throw from your left hand to your right hand. Okay, continue. Right leg gonna come inward and back to the push-up positions. Do it from this side. Now switch in. Okay, now I'm gonna continue the whole movement with the same steps. Okay, switch in, switch in. The more, I should say, the difficult part is the part where you throw, okay, because it takes a lot of hip strength. Alright, so when you throw, you need to hold your body up and quickly switch from your left hand to your hand. You can't do it slow because you're gonna crash and it's very heavy. So for the throw part, do it fast. Okay, now I'm gonna start all over from the top and I'm gonna do it continuously. From there, I'll gradually increase the speed. After getting this move down, you can mix and match with your other footwork. There you go, the high hip 3 steps. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you do share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this channel to 100,000 subs. We're already on the way there. I think now I got around 88,000 or 89, 11,000 to go, so I need your support. Alright guys, share this video, keep the B-Boy community growing, and I will see you guys next time.